Yo dudes!
Welcome to Thai Red Curry Ramen Bowl. This is really cool. It came out of an accident by mistake, like many good ideas.
So perfect fusion where Japan meets Thailand. Really nice, tasty, quick 5 to 10 minute dinner. If you want to go slow, you can do it in 15. This is delicious, this is epic. First step, we have beautiful oyster mushrooms. Whatever mushrooms, wow, that's a big one. Whatever mushrooms you have, 200 grams, just chop them into nice bite-sized chunks. Add into the pan 1 tablespoon of sesame oil.
Okay, while the mushrooms are frying away, we're gonna get our broth on the heat because we're actually gonna cook our noodles in the broth. So I've got a medium-sized pan, I'm gonna put it in a high heat and I'm gonna start adding all our broth ingredients together. I'm adding 1 litre of veg stock, I've got 1 tablespoon almond butter, I've got 1 can of coconut milk, that's a 400 gram tin. I've got 2 tablespoons of tamari, my favorite black sauce. Okay, last ingredient to go in our broth is we're gonna put in 4 tablespoons of our spicy red pepper pesto.
If you can't get it, simply use Thai red curry paste or any type of, maybe you put in sriracha, maybe you put in some just chili paste that you have.
So I'm going with 4 tablespoons. This is our spicy red pepper pesto. Okay, I'm just gonna whisk it all together and bring that to the boil, and then it's gonna be time to cook the noodles and the broccoli and that.
Okay, while that is cooking down, our mushrooms are looking nicely charred. They look grizzly, they are ready to go. I have diced half a thumb-sized piece of ginger and 1 clove
Excellent elocution, Steve.
1 clove of garlic.
I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of tamari to the cooked mushrooms because just tamari and mushrooms are like a match made in heaven. If you don't make it to the end, this is what we're making. It's absolutely delicious. And if you're looking for something a little juicier, we have started a new podcast. You'll find it on Apple Podcast, Google Podcast,
Spotify. You'll find it on all leading podcast platforms. The goal of it is to inspire you. There's some amazing guests. Do check it out.
We've had Russell Brand, Joe Wicks. We've got some really cool ones coming as well. Really good.
Okay, so I've got our red pepper. That's capsicum if you're from Australia. In it goes the pan.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the heat down on our mushrooms and peppers. And then it is time to add our noodle nest. I've got 200 grams of whole wheat noodles. You can use brown, white rice, use gluten-free noodles, use whatever noodles you like best. And I'm gonna pop them into our broth here to cook away. These typically take 4 to 5 minutes. In on top of our noodle nest, I bought a pack of tender stem broccoli. It was 200 grams of broccoli. I'm gonna pop in the tops of the broccoli in as well, because they'll just be boiled away and get a little bit of tender. So our tender stem stalks are pretty fibrous. I'm gonna chop them up nice and fine and add them in too because I do not like wastage.
So your veg will start to stick to the pan and there is a little bit of charring. Just pop in a little bit of water, a little bit of sauce, just to kind of deglaze the pan and mix and incorporate that flavor. One of the most important things as a chef is to season your food as you go. So that's just tasting it and going, how does that taste, Dave?
Tastes delicious. Really nice, really creamy, really rich. I do like a little more spice, so I've got a tablespoon of sriracha sauce. I'm gonna add in a little bit of sriracha sauce. Okay, 10 minutes in, it is showtime. Dinner is ready. So I'm gonna start with, I like a decent deep bowl, really important. And I'm just using a ladle here. I'm gonna ladle out some noodles and lots of the broth as well.
Okay, now time to top it.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time.
So we said it serves 4. We made 3 hefty portions.
We made 3 whopper
Somewhere
bowls.
between 2 to 4.
Oh no, it can serve 4 for sure. These are decent bowls. This is serious.
So it presents beautifully, worthwhile kind of having the extra bits.
Stephen's gone all sophisticated. You could go sophisticated with those things that Stephen is. What are those things? Chopsticks. Or I'm just using a spoon. I'm going very student style here.
Like it's beautiful, it's comforting, it's soothing, it's
creamy, it's
aromatic.
Spicy.
Like I'm getting a nice bang of coriander
really
in there. And then that kind of the grisliness.
I think
of
you
the
should
mushroom.
make this. I really do if you made it this long. So anyway.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thanks for making it this far. And thanks for watching our videos. If you've watched more than one of them, we really appreciate it. We enjoy making them. So it's great.
Hope you enjoy this. And I think a great reminder, try to eat more fibre. Have a good week and have a laugh.
Yeah, down below there's a link to the written recipe which is on our website. So if you want to have a look at that, click onto that. So yeah.
Cheers.
Thanks a million. And thanks to Emma's Embroidery for the aprons. They're lovely.
Cheers. Bye.